So now when we get to something like this, we have to, well, you'll find that you can't factor most, if not all of these, and maybe you can. But quadratic formula is what we're going to need to use. So set it up. X equals -4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 20. I'm assuming that you know the quadratic formula since we had an assignment on it yesterday. 2 times 1. So, shorthand, write a 16 there. You got 4 times 20, which is equal to 80. So we are subtracting 80 from 16. And like the Santa Claus example, up until today, you could get away with saying -64, there are no solutions. But there are no real solutions. But that doesn't mean we can stop at this point. Okay? The square root of 64 we have found is equal to, well, we know that square root of 64 is 8, but because it's a negative, it's going to be -4 plus or minus 8i over 2. Now, you can only reduce this if that 2 will go into both those numbers, and since it does, reduce them both. -4 over 2 is a -2, plus or minus 8 over 2, which is 4, and then the I. And these are two imaginary roots. There's 2 because of the plus or minus.